why ashwagandha makes anxiety worse and how to fix it. You started taking ashwagandha hoping to find some peace from your anxiety, but instead, you're feeling even more wired and on edge. If your supplement is making you more anxious, please know you are not alone, and you are definitely not imagining things. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal the 3 common mistakes that can sabotage your results and exactly how to fix them. Let's jump into mistake number 1, and I bet this sounds familiar. You take your ashwagandha with your morning coffee, right? You think you're being super productive, tackling stress and waking up at the same time. But here's the honest truth. That combination can actually spike your cortisol, your main stress hormone, by a shocking 38%. You're not putting out the fire, you're pouring gasoline on it. Mistake number 2 is using the wrong tool for the job. Think of it this way, you wouldn't use a sledgehammer to put in a tiny screw. Ashwagandha is the same. KSM-66 is your daytime power tool for energy and focus. Sensoril is your gentle evening tool for deep calm and sleep. Using the wrong one throws your entire system out of whack. The third mistake is a double whammy, bad timing and dangerous mixes. Taking it on an empty stomach in the morning can shock your system, and mixing it with other stimulants, you're creating a chemical battle in your body, and anxiety is often the unwelcome winner. So, how do we fix this and turn your ashwagandha experience around? Solution 1 is beautifully simple. Separate your ashwagandha from your caffeine by at least 4 hours. This gives your body enough time to process each one individually, preventing that nasty cortisol spike. So go ahead and take your morning dose with a good breakfast, but maybe save that coffee for an afternoon pick-me-up. This simple change alone can make a world of difference. Moving to solution 2, you need to become a savvy consumer and match the extract to your needs. It's all about strategic supplementation. If you're battling daytime stress and need to stay sharp and energized, KSM-66 is your go-to. Choose a supplement with KSM-66 for your morning routine. If your goal is to unwind after a long day, quiet a racing mind, and get deep, restorative sleep, then Sensoril is your best friend. Look for it in formulas designed for evening relaxation and sleep support. Finally, solution 3, perfect your timing and be mindful of what you're mixing. The rule is simple: morning dose with food, evening dose on an empty stomach. This ensures you get the maximum benefit without any unwanted side effects. And I'll say it again because it's that important. Never combine ashwagandha with other stimulants. Check the labels on your pre-workouts, energy drinks, and other supplements. Keep your ashwagandha protocol clean and focused to let it do its job properly. Let's do a quick recap to make sure this all sticks. 1. Avoid taking ashwagandha with caffeine by creating a 4-hour buffer. 2. Choose the right extract type for your goal: KSM-66 for day, Sensoril for night. And 3. Time it perfectly with your meals and never, ever mix it with other stimulants. Following these 3 simple fixes will transform your ashwagandha experience from anxious and overwhelming to absolutely amazing. So, which of these mistakes were you making? Be honest. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you finally understand what's going on, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next science-backed health secret. See you in the next video.